Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. Today's video, I have another human hair half wig for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. So I'm going to be doing this Fulani style for you guys. I did not do my braids myself. I got somebody else to do it. But this is probably going to be a short video because it's so easy, and this is like a perfect summer style that has been trending for a while. And so I wanted to do that with this wig today. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. You already saw the intro. So this is brought to you by HerGivenHair, and I'm going to pop the unboxing on the screen while I read the specs. I'm going to be installing this with the Fulani style that's very popular where you have braids in the front and then you put a half wig on the back. I haven't tried it. It's been popular for the last like maybe year and a half at this point. And so I'm trying it today. So this is the 3-in-1 half wig. It's 20 inches. The texture is coily, and this is 3C to 4A texture. It's a natural color, and this is a one-size-fits-all cap. And inside the cap, we have a comb in the front that is longer. We have two smaller combs on the right and left side of the cap, a larger comb in the back, adjustable straps, as well as a drawstring. So yeah, so you can definitely braid your own hair, but I was already getting my hair washed today, so I went ahead and asked her just to braid my hair up in the front like this, and then I just have it braided down in the back for the half wig. So I'm just going to be prepping the back of the wig. You guys already saw the unboxing and me just putting this on my head. So to define the curls, I'm really just going to use my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. You can wash it first if you would like, but I think I'm just going to go in and define the curls more. Take my unbrush, brush the ends out. Yeah, really, you don't even necessarily need water. You just need the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse and a unbrush or whatever kind of brush you have that's similar, and you take a section and you just twirl the ends to define the ends like that, and you move on to another section and do the same thing. I'm probably going to take mine off and do it on a mannequin head just so I can get a good look at every part of the wig. All right, so I did my makeup, and this has been drying in front of a fan for about 45 minutes to an hour, and it looks great. The curls are popping since I did some finger coils. Looks really, really good. So it looks really good. It's all the way dry, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this. Let me make sure I don't have any T-pins in here. Now, I do have a wig cap on here, just so I have something back here. You don't have to wear a wig cap if you don't want to. Guys, so I'm back. You guys saw how easy this was to get together. This is a great style if you don't want to wear any lace wigs during the summertime. You guys know 2025 was a big half wig year, especially on my channel. I still love wearing half wigs. So what I did to get this style, if you know how to do braids, or you know how to do flat twist, or if you know how to do that rubber band faux braid situation, you can do any of that. You can do it yourself. But I was already going to get my hair washed, and she has a braid down service. So I asked her, could she do that with some rubber bands to get this style? And so she did that, and it was, you know, an affordable price. And I didn't have to do it myself. So I got my braids in, and all I didn't wash this wig. I am wearing it after I did finger coils all over the wig. So this is a very full wig, so keep that in mind when you decide to, you know, reestablish your curls or change them with foam. And I'm glad that I always do this pretty much with my curly human hair wigs. I reestablish the curls with mousse because I feel like it looks better and it looks more lived in and realistic. Even though it's human hair, it looks better. It doesn't have those factory curls. So I think this looks really, really pretty. And this is an easy style to do for the summertime. It's not much for me to say. Just get your hair braided in the front. Get you a good half wig like this one. Human hair, so you can, you know, have it last for months or potentially years. And redefine your curls, and this is what you get. A perfect summer style. This is really good for vacation if you want to save some money too. Braid your own hair in the front, or get somebody else to braid your hair in the front. Get you a human hair half wig, and that's your style for summer vacation, or just, you know, even if you're at home. Okay, because this is easy. As I'm filming this, tomorrow is Father's Day, and I'm probably just gonna wear this tomorrow when we go eat with my dad. So yeah, this is easy peasy right here, and it's just really cute. So I'll have all the specs about this wig from HerGivenHair in the description box for you guys, and I'll have the original review that I did last year for you guys as well. You do have a lot of versatility with these wigs. You can pull out some of your hair in the front like I did in that video last year, or you can do something like this and get your hair braided in the front and just have a cute summer style that's your scalp is gonna be breathing, and then you can take this off at night, and then the back of your head, your whole head is gonna be breathing with this kind of style. And I do like that. So I'll have all the specs in the description box, as well as links to shop this wig, and if they have any coupon codes, those will be listed down below as well. I don't have as far as like shedding goes, I don't have excessive shedding, because after I fluff my human hair curly wigs out, that's all I do. I don't like run my hands through it, especially while it's dry. I just fluff the roots. No shedding or tangling there yet, because I like to manipulate my human hair curly wigs while they are wet only, for the most part. If you're interested in this wig, all the information will be in the description box. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. Please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.